On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at the pinnacle of travel adventure, where luxury meets functionality. Introducing the 2022 Vanleigh Ambition 399th, the ultimate fifth-wheel toy hauler designed to elevate your travel and RV life experience. The Ambition boasts a stylish exterior graphics package you will be sure to stand out from any crowd. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and meticulously designed living area. The residential-style furnishings and high-end finishes create an ambience that rivals the most luxurious apartments. This isn't just any camper, it's a mobile haven for thrill seekers and those who appreciate the finer things in life. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with top-of-the-line stainless appliances and ample counter space. There's a large-capacity, side-by-side fridge and an overhead convection microwave, perfect for whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal. This travel trailer has you covered. With a large center island sink and 4-burner range, and storage cabinets all throughout, this kitchen is ready to comfortably serve you and your guest on even the longest of travel adventures. Now, let's talk about the real star of the show, the garage. This toy hauler comes with a spacious convertible garage area, providing the perfect storage space for your favorite recreational vehicles. There's a power lift queen bed with double folding sofas below, allowing you to convert the space into any layout you want. And a convenient half bath makes getting back to the fun, fast and easy. Whether it's ATVs, motorcycles, or kayaks, bring them along for the ride without compromising on comfort. Now, let's step up into the front of this unit. The luxurious bathroom is designed with both style and functionality in mind. It's a private oasis where you can refresh and recharge before your next exciting escapade. After a day of adventure, retreat to the master bedroom, where a plush, king-size bed awaits. Ample storage ensures that everything you need for your journey is right at your fingertips. In the Vanleigh Ambition, every journey becomes an unforgettable adventure. Experience the pinnacle of luxury and versatility in a fifth-wheel toy hauler. Your next escape is just a ride away. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.